The Waldspirale is a residential building complex in Darmstadt, Germany. It was built in the 1990s. The name translates into English as forest spiral, reflecting both the general plan of the building and the fact that it has a green roof. The Waldspirale, an astounding work of art, is a mesmerizing architectural marvel that defies convention. Its twisting and turning structure boasts a kaleidoscope of colors, where no two windows bear resemblance. Each facade panel is a canvas of vibrant hues, painting the exterior in a breathtaking blaze of color that captivates the eye and sparks the imagination. Hundertwasser's visionary legacy lives on through this architectural marvel, completed mere months after his passing in February 2000. What makes this structure truly remarkable is its harmony with nature. Hundertwasser ingeniously integrated natural elements, mirroring the landscape's floor layers in the facade's design. The rooftop, constructed using recycled concrete, serves as a lush garden adorned with lime, beech, and maple trees. Here, amidst this urban oasis, a playground and an artificial river offer a serene escape. This masterpiece embodies Hundertwasser's vibrant, unconventional style, resembling a fairy tale castle brought to life by a playful band of children. With its 105 apartments, each window stands as a unique piece of art, a kaleidoscope of colors and irregular shapes reminiscent of golden onion towers. It is a nice place to visit. Looks like a house of dwarfs or fairies from a children's book. But bear in mind that it is a real house where people are living and they are not happy to be disturbed. If you're ever in Darmstadt, make sure to add Waldspirale to your itinerary. Its unique feature makes it a must-see. Until next time, have an incredible weekend.